Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on your ACER Connect X6E. So to do that, first of course you should open your ACER admin panel. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my video about it. You can find it here on the right top corner of the screen. So then when you will see that you have opened your admin panel, you will see the dashboard here. And you can find here the Wi-Fi. So click on the Wi-Fi and here you will see Wi-Fi MAC filter tab. Okay, and if you blocked someone, so all these devices will be visible here. As you can see, the router will block Wi-Fi connection based on the device MAC. Up to certain devices can be added in the MAC filter table. And if you blocked someone for such a reason, you can even unblock it by clicking on the trash icon. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.